Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of another Revlon Thermatique collection wig. This is Solei in the color Golden Sunset HT. So this color is, it's a number 8, which is up here. So that's a medium golden brown root on a really rich golden blonde, so it's like a dark golden blonde here, that has a little bit of like a caramel brown and a little bit of butterscotch blended into it. So it's a very warm, dark blonde color. Almost kind of like an apricot blonde, but it's more gold than orange. So I want to comb out Solei on camera for you because this is right out of the box and she's, you know, a little wiggy looking. So I'm just going to go ahead and comb her. So basically just wanted to show you what she looked like before doing so. Now, one thing I want to address is this wig does not fit me very well at all. In fact, I think this wig fits basically petite average based upon how this is fitting on me. So I don't want to wear it for too long during the course of this review. I just kind of want to comb it out, turn her around, show you what it looks like, show you the monofilament, and then I'm going to take it off and do the rest of the review. It's a darling little wig. Here is the monofilament. Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like under here. It's pretty well done on here. I mean, the knots aren't as small as I prefer, but they're not bad. And there's a close-up of that color. You can see how rich it is. It's very pretty. Sort of like a apricot blonde. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap. Oh, my wig cap actually came off with it. This wig definitely fits more akin to a petite average. So this will accommodate most average capped wig wearers, and it is technically an average capped wig, but man, there's virtually no stretch in the perimeter of this wig, so it's definitely not for average large wearers or bigger. And I'm average large on this in this regard. So this wig has a hand-tied monofilament top, does not have a lace front. Instead, it has a generous band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. Open wefts on the side, open wefts in the back. We've got a fully extended nape with no felt, and it adjusts kind of like a bra here in the back with open ear tabs, so it's easy to wear glasses with. So yeah, aside from the fit issue, I think that this wig is really lovely. Doesn't look anything like the product photos, really. I think it's actually a little cuter than the product photos. Now this is a human hair and heat-friendly synthetic blend. That's something that even Revlon's catalog didn't even mention when these wigs were initially released. They made it look like it was just a heat-friendly synthetic, but it's not. There's human hair in this blend, which really helps keep the static down and makes the fiber a little bit more durable. So this is a really nice wig. It's only 3 ounces. The front down is 7.75 inches. The crown down is 8 inches. The nape is 2. So it's really stacked back here. It's got a really short nape. And then it just kind of gets layered and layered and layered. You can curl it like this. It's very cute. The cut itself reminds me a bit of like the Jodie by Jon Renau, except that cap is way more forgiving than this. So there you have it. This has been my review of the Solei wig by Revlon, and it is a really good value if you think about the price point on these and the fact that you're getting a human hair heat-friendly synthetic blend with the monofilament top. It's actually a pretty good deal for this one. The color again is 8234R, also known as Golden Sunset HT. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you for watching my wig reviews, and hopefully you'll be back for another one at another time. And until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.